Let's see how to add tags in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, tags are ways that your document can easily be identified so that whenever somebody looks for your document, they can easily look at the tags or search up the tags. So to add tags to your document, first click on the File tab, and from here, click on Info, and you should be able to see the properties of your document right here. Now, you should be able to find tags um, up here, and simply click on this box to add a tag. So for example, we want to add random tags, and to separate one tag from another tag, you have to separate or type a semicolon. So tags and how to, and just like that, you now have 3 tags to your document. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.